student at noon. Some disruptive behavior by physician.
So how are you enjoying it?
It's good. It's good. Yeah. I moved. I actually live in those tall buildings right there by the freeway. They're to the left of the freeway.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah, so it's kind of nice. So when I come up here and do stuff, I can just take the tram up.
Oh, that's nice.
And still doing a lot of national stuff. Still chair the RRC for another year and a half. So busy, keeping out of trouble.
I keep in touch with some of the GME crew from back when I was in.
Yeah, Don's still hanging around all the time.
I think he's looking at coming back.
Yeah. That's the only official job I have up here right now is I'm working with the School of Medicine and passing that on developing milestones and EPAs for the medical students.
Oh,
So,
great.
yeah, it's the only thing I get paid for.
So have you found other pursuits then, or?
Just enjoying taking care of grandkids.
Yeah.
Stuff like that. Yeah, I haven't had any time that I thought I was going to have when I retired. It's just like, it's amazing. Just,
Yeah.
everything. Well, with all the other stuff still going on, it's just takes a minute. Just like I was giving a talk and come back with 3 emails, because nationally the PED subspecialties are developing EPAs for education. So, anyway, so always something going on.
Yeah. Well, I got married and have a baby,
Oh, yeah.
so yeah, I have a 1-year-old now. Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
Great.
So late bloomer on that, but so yeah.
Taking care of the general internist, that's not too bad of a job.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Her nice bunch.
Yeah, I work with Kate Benching, my boss.
Oh, yeah. Good.
So it was a good. I can say it was time. I've been there for yeah.
As we pass the tower, we will swing. Watch your balance.
So you have grandkids living with you?
Yeah, they were in Louisiana. They just moved back in May of last year.
Oh, okay.
So they lived with us for a while till they found a house and everything. So now we take care of them twice a week.
Oh, that's nice.
And, yeah, it's fun. Yeah.
Trying to convince my in-laws to move. But.
Oh, yeah. No, it's fun. So it's sort of like that. Once they move back here, it's sort of like, there's no way I'm taking a job anywhere else. At that point,
Yeah.
So, and yeah, and it's kind of fun living down. They're just coming up on 2, so having them downtown is great.
Yeah.
Train, you go on the train. So it's hard to see. You know, shows up and says, train. He wants to go for a ride on the
Yeah.
car. You know.
That's funny.
So and they're just right along the water, and I'm watching the boats and the birds and all that kind of stuff. Seeing the airplanes. And yeah, it's twins, girl and
I
boy.
talked about it earlier
So,
because
yeah,
you
it's
talked
been
to
good.
one of the doctors.
Although
It's good to see
my
you.
son-in-law's going to take a different job, so we got to figure out what days of the week we're going to take
Oh,
care of
true.
because he was working up in Oyster City, so he's going to work out in the restaurant. So I don't know what we're going to do.
Yeah.
We'll probably just go straight and take care of all that.
Everyone.